Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cover picture on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the news feed. Now from this page, if you wish to change your cover picture, simply tap on your profile menu icon at the top right corner underneath the messenger icon. You can then simply tap on your profile underneath the menu page and you will be taken into your profile menu. Now within your profile page, you will see your current cover picture if you have one, and you will also find the camera icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it and now you have various different options. You can upload a photo from your device and you can also select one from your Facebook. There is also an option to create a cover collage from your pictures on your account. You can choose whichever option is suitable for you, and then you can upload your desired cover image. You can change this cover image at any time you wish by coming back to your profile and tapping on the camera icon once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or change your cover picture on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.